my coconut water, rose water, vanilla, mixed spice, nutmeg, cinnamon.
You're not adding honey, right?
No, and my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna put some in my cornmeal pudding. And I have some of my coconut rush right here that I'm gonna add in. While Roberts
I'm gonna make fish.
said he's gonna make fish. I hope he complete. I hope he complete the fish
Yes,
today.
that reminds me of that uncompleted breakfast.
Yes.
Viewers, you see, if you're making a breakfast, and the kids wake up, that's the end of the breakfast. You know, that's what's happened the other day. I was trying to make the breakfast as quick as possible before the smallest kid wake up, and then halfway he woke up. So now he's taking a nap. But the problem is that whenever he's taking a nap, there is always so many things that has been left undone that I want to do quickly before he wakes up. And then before you do the most important one to the other one to that one, then he's up. And then the plan is over. Now, this cloth has been in this washing machine for a day or two now.
Oh my God, Robert. You're lying. We just washed the clothes. We put them in there for 2 days, but the machine just turned on today. So it's not in here for 2 days or a day.
Oh my God.
You too lie.
So now I need to spread this cloth, do the fish, and then bust some champagne because it's still part of celebration. Yes, and then be sipping the champagne little by little, me alone, because this Jamaican lady doesn't take alcohol at all. That means I hit a jackpot. Yes. To have a Jamaican wife that doesn't drink anything alcohol. Do you think it's possible in this modern world today? Not an old lady Jamaican wife, young one that doesn't take anything alcohol, even if it is 1 full teaspoon or half teaspoonful of alcohol, she doesn't take it. Neither does she know what is called ganja. I hate it, Jack.
So that is my blend up. Robert, you don't finish the mix up, eh? Then you can come put in your tea.
Baby, isn't it recording automatically?
No, I'm recording, yeah.
Oh, okay.
When time is done, when you mix up, then you can come. The fish already scraped already, so
Okay.
you have easy part-time job, eh?
Good.
My cornmeal.
Oh, cornmeal goes inside it.
Yeah. This one I call caramel pudding. Oh, that ones look nice on you.
Yeah, I still have that problem of my laps. You know, here is tight. You know, and me now climbing up and down the, right? Need to raise my leg up and down, that kind of a thing. Did you grind the coconut?
I blended it.
Okay. It looks good.
Yeah, you see, the other day them, make me spoil it.
Oh, did you break another coconut?
Yeah, it's one different one.
Oh.
And you know, today I not make it sweet. I don't want it too sweet. More enjoy, but I don't want it too sweet. Because I don't like too much sweet. This is sugar.
Yeah?
Sugar. May I make up sugar?
Oh, you put that on inside?
Yeah. But may I mix up the sugar? Because I don't want it too sweet.
No.
I mean, oh no. We make sure I put salt. Salt to the main ingredients. Because if salt not going to sit, it not taste good. You know that one day?
Yeah.
I put little butter. Because it's warm, the butter will melt out. See, it look better already than the one way. I'm mad at them.
That one was not thrown away, right? That one
Yes.
was recovered.
You sure way. My mom tried to recover the other one.
What's the name of this thing you're even making?
This one called pudding.
But you made the other pudding the other day and it was nice.
Which one?
That chewy pudding.
Yeah, but it spoiled. After it spoiled, and more than that, we didn't make.
So the one I ate, well, which one is that? Is it part of good part of it?
Yes, yes. But if it did turn out good, it'll be so good. But my auntie said, "Oh, don't put no more flour." And then
It turned out bad.
it turned out bad. But look today, may I make this without them there here.
And then you get vexed.
You know, so I never did vex. Me just vex so me. Speak properly. I did only vex just because, yeah, I had to throw it away. That's why. Because it's not nice to throw away things, you know.
Mostly food.
Yeah.
Mostly food that you put a lot of effort, ingredient in.
Exactly. That's just all. That's all. Robs, open this to me.
This one?
Yes.
Shall I throw in?
Yes.
Tell me when to stop.
Show it. That one can't too much. Stop.
We are making it together now. When it comes out good, remember I helped.
This one is nothing egg. You can't put too much of this. This one make it spoil.
Yeah, after the video, our head is cut.
Oh, put some of this.
No, the video is too close. Should be like that.
Put some of that.
Tell me when to stop.
Not too much. Stop. Yes. See? I get back my pudding. You can't get no mixing.
Oh no, I haven't finished spreading the clothes.
Just because you come over it now and I fast, that's why. If anybody come, you make video, yeah, I'm going to tell you if trouble it.
Yeah.
May I learn, may I teach you things.
This lady is turning her husband to even housewife and cook and cleaner and
I am not turning
everything
you
at the
into
same time.
anything. You're the one that helping me. You're volunteering to do it.
She's been turning me into chef, plate washer,
By the time you finish, you will know how to make. What you call it?
pudding baker,
Pudding. Yeah.
turning me into everything and a husband at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not easy. Oh.
I have to enjoy it too.
And even turns already she turned me into a driver. I'm already a driver.
Driver, don't stop at all.
Let's see. Somehow better this way.
It's, yeah, it's 10 times better.
Oh, more comfort.
Yes. Mix it up. Mix it up. My name is Kidashwena.
No, don't worry. You know, someone with a multifunctional ability does everything good. If you see me serving in a hotel with various cups of wine in a tray with one hand, having the tray like this, walking into the crowd, giving everybody. Yeah.
You never tell me that.
Yeah, in Spain during the summertime, you know.
You work in a hotel.
In a bar.
Oh, in a bar.
Yeah.
You can dip your hand and taste it.
No, I don't want to run the risk of
Get diarrhea?
Yes. That's when I have been wanting to eat this food. Now I go have diarrhea and I'm not going to enjoy it. And you know that this festive period we eat a lot of food. You see?
Smell nice, isn't it? Smell it? Okay.
You see? Done.
Thank you.
I don't think you will ever see a husband as multifunctional husband like me in this whole wide world.
What is what do you mean by multi?
Multifunctional. Anything you call me as a husband for, I do it. Even if you give me a bottle of beer, I'll put it with my teeth. Oh my God. Oh no, no basket.
It's nice.
Is it nice?
So nice.
Okay.
The only thing in a too sweet. That's why I do want you tasty.
If it is not
Put
too
more
sweet,
sugar
it's
in
good.
it.
Doesn't have to be sweet. Okay. Shall I do the fish now?
Make me clean up here, Sophia.
Okay.
Let me clean up here, so, and then you do the fish.
So, gentlemen and ladies, once I get the fish done today, it covers the previous unfinished breakfast of the other day. See? That's how I am. If you do things half and you couldn't do it anymore, couldn't finish it, next day or next time, do things a little bit plus, a little bit over to cover up the ones you couldn't do when you couldn't do it. This camera is a bit good like this, but it's not seeing the table. What shall I do for the table to be seen?
My mixture.
Wait. Let's make that table come up to the camera. You ready, Top?
Yes. Oh.
Yeah. You see? This is how it should have been.
So, you know what I want you to do? I want you to grease this pan. You will wash it.
Oh, is another one?
Yeah. I did that too.
Okay.
You will grease it with butter.
Okay.
and tap some flour into it. Then we
Okay.
pour this and put it in the oven.
In order to grease it, shall I make it warm? Shall I make the pot warm so that the grease will
No,
go around it?
no,
Okay.
no.
I should just put butter all inside it.
Yes,
Okay.
but wash it first.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I wash it, it's gonna have water in it.
I know you have to dry it now.
Oh,
Get something and dry it.
okay.
This a pudding ya go sweet. And I will leave some for my mom and my auntie and said, you see, I have done it. I have done it. Guys, I am not a professional baker, yeah? So,
You try.
yeah. I am not a professional. But most time when I try to make stuff, it always turn out good and tastes the same. So this is my first time doing this pudding, and the reason why I'm doing it is because I remember when I was smaller, my friend mom used to make it and give it to me, and it used to taste so good. So the other day I was tasting pudding in my mouth, so I said, you know what, let me YouTube it and do it. So that's what I did. I YouTube it and now I'm making it.
So the word is moving from Google it to YouTube it.
YouTube it.
Oh my God.
I YouTube it. I never Google it. I YouTube look up on.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube.
Good.
Okay, let me clean up back here for you, Mr. Robbie. So you have a clean kitchen.
Very good.
And I'm going to put away these things by God's grace next year. In everything we have to say God's grace, because
God knows tomorrow.
only God one knows our future and our destiny. So, yeah.
This pan is always heavy. I think it's because it shouldn't carry things, right?
Yeah. I don't know. And obviously I have to be quick because OJ might win. I start giving you problems because you always do half done cooking and never completed it. Nobody wash them up because I still love wash up plates, so nobody wash them up. Me wash them. Okay? You just clean up yourself here. No more baking until next year again. I don't know why these things stick out like this. All your cling film, why are they not here?
I don't know.
Is it you do them like this?
No. OJ. It should be your picnic.
My picnic, half your picnic. Half your picnic and more of your picnic after me.
So I'm gonna get pepper to dry this. I'm gonna get pepper.
Where you get paper? You need towel and towel.
I can't find any hand towels here.
And dry.
Where do you think we can find hand towel?
Oh, look, here, take. Use this one. Dry toast. Highly up, yeah? You know, like when you high up something?
Mm-hmm.
Heat it.
Yeah. No. Oh my God.
I want you to do a PDD with this pot.
Oh my
Yeah?
God. Baby oil thing.
Yes, do a
Oh
PDD.
no. Okay, pot, I'm going to PDD you now.
PDD. Diddy P. So you take the butter and you grease the butter and you grease around the side and then you put the cup.
Okay.
And then don't salt this flour in it and then
Gentlemen and ladies, if you want to put butter on a pan, this is how to do it. This is how it's done.
you always have your own way
Yeah.
if you do something. You make flat.
So people will try to use hand, but your fingers will get sticky. And
But you have to go use a hand though. And
no,
if you don't use hand, you're not going to do it properly.
you see this? See
Yeah.
this? This is like a bit convex. It's not straight. You see? Don't use this straight one. Use convex one that have hole inside, and then the back is a kind of a bit round. The reason is because the pot itself is round. This one looks more or less like spoon, not the front but the back. But because spoon is metal, use stick one.
Better you don't explain it. Once you wake up on you.
So
And you're not get to do fish.
scoop the butter that way with the back, not the front, with the back. And grab
Okay, wait again. Do it, let me see.
grab the pot with your left hand and then rub it this way. You see?
But you're not going to be too much, you know, that's the thing. So you still have to go use your hand.
I know. So rub it.
So you're going to do the butter.
Don't worry, I will show you.
How are you going to do the butter?
Yeah. See? Rub it all around. Go front and back, front and back, front and back, through and through. You see? Just a little rub round. It's almost done.
It's a lot. You have to use all of that butter
For all the body.
and all the body. So even though you don't want to use your hand, you will eventually still have to use your hand.
Don't worry. Tools are.
If you don't do it good, my cake, my pudding might turn out bad today again. And that's the time I'm going to be upset.
And you find someone to blame again.
I'm not going to find someone to blame. I will blame you.
Okay.
Now let me finish it. Let me do it.
Okay.
Since as you don't want to put your hand in the butter.
Yeah, at least I've done the rounds, which is half of it. So you do the base, which is half of it.
Yeah.
Then it becomes half done.
Okay.
That's good. So after that is my time for my fish, right?
Yeah, time for your fish. Time for your fish.
Oh, you should have used this one. Oh, is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna need. Do I need this now? No.
You take out your fish?
Yeah.
You say it, Buddha?
Okay. Sprinkle this in on it.
Yes.
Okay.
This one I learned from my auntie. I know about putting the butter in the butter pot, but I didn't know about adding flour into it. I learned this from my auntie. You know, the old school knows everything best. So yeah. Even though she direct me for me pudding and still spoil it.
Oh, it's time for my fish.
You have to take out the thing out the head. You know. You don't want me to do that one for you.
No. I will do everything myself.
Okay, so you're going to take out these things out here. They call it the gill.
Oh,
That's why I was asking if you want me to do it for you.
is the gill still there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's there. Okay. I think I need to get hand gloves to take out the gills.
Whatever you want to do, sir.
If I'm hungry right now, what shall I eat?
If you're hungry, what should you eat?
I don't want to eat more of those cakes because I went to the toilet again after going to the toilet.
If I were you, yeah, I would just leave my tummy until you finish this fish. Because I am going to fry plantain. So I will eat it with plantain.
That will stay long.
If you do it quick now, you just fish. You know, so I can put the fish in the oven.
You don't think?
Yeah. You know what?
No?
Let me think it then. Let me take out the gill and the fish for you.
Okay.
And you chop up your seasoning and fry up the seasoning.
Okay.
Steam up this. So when it finish steam halfway,
Yeah.
then you can put it inside.
Oh. It doesn't need to steam halfway now.
Fine.
Just go like that directly.
In the fish,
Yeah.
is it gonna rot?
Because vegetables don't quick.
So you're gonna cut it up raw and put it in a fish? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then, sir. Do your thing. Let me take out the gill for you.
Okay.
Take out your seasoning then.
Seasoning. Seasoning.
Robert, look over this yesterday, the something seasoning. They call them those ones.
How about this one that is in the fridge?
Oh, that is for
Chicken.
jerk. That's for jerk.
Should I leave it alone?
Yeah. Spice up plate, you know. Now get no cold water.
This is oxtail. I'm not going to use it.
Black pepper, paprika,
All black
and
pepper.
all that season. You know the season I like use.
Paprika. Paprika. Black pepper.
Some nice. You see some still I help you little bit.
Yeah.
Just in case you have a special fish with it. Special style fish. to make pudding, so that's why. Let me help you.
Thyme,
Okay, so you have thyme.
cinnamon,
No? But I put the cinnamon.
thyme.
This, we need this. Paprika. This. And this.
Okay.
Only them they need for your fish.
Okay.
I'll leave it to it.
Okay.
Let me clean up yourself.
Good. Let me suggest, man. You see, get the fish, give it like 2 lines by the
Oh.
side. You see?
Take a bigger one. And then rub it.
Yes, give it 2 lines. 1, 2. Then flip it over. Now went this way. Same line again. 1, 2. Repeat the same process on the second fish. 1, 2. 1, 2. And always remember to nod your head when you do what you want to do. You know. And then, can I have a scissors, please?
So what this is, you can have them there.
Yeah.
You go for 1 minute, start the scissors.
I don't think it's here. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're fine.
But I'm good. I'm just good. Oh my god. It's like my hand draws things to be where I'm looking for it. Oh my god. I've not seen these scissors for more than 6 months. I just looked for it and I found it. For the wings of the fish.
If you use this, you're
Oh, marinate it on top of it. Good. Man, this side of this thing is so strong. It's okay, I don't know. This scissors is sharp too. That's good. Yes, I will cut this one on the chopping stick. Nowadays, fishes are getting strong and stubborn too. So, stubborn fish need to be cut on the chopping stick.
all this.
Is that not the blend you blended for the this is?
What?
The
You want
blend,
to make that sure?
no, the blend you are blending today for the pudding.
I already put it in there.
Okay.
So what make you suck up a fish so?
This fish is just strong. But it's okay. Strong fish is always tastes good at the end of the day. No. Yeah.
Why don't you use the scissors?
Because this thing looks strong.
See? It worked. So you do. You prepare fish.
Yes.
So guys, he said he's preparing fish for me today.
Good. I like these scissors.
You like the scissors?
Mm-hmm. Good.
After how long you did you have butter with that?
Yeah. Second fish. There are some part of this thing that is too strong for the scissors. So I use knife. Good.
Let me cut the video. Put it when you're seasoning it, okay?
Okay.
So guys, that's the result of my pudding.
Okay. So, are you going to rate my food now?
Your fish tastes nice.
Okay. No, not my fish, the fish I cooked.
This fish that you made today for dinner, your dinner you prepared, it tastes nice.
Okay.
I rate it 8.5.
Oh my god. Well, it's okay. I'm just, if this is the first time I'm doing it, not the first time though, but in recent time.
I think it's the first time you do it this way with vegetable.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing it with vegetable. And if I do it for the first time with vegetable and get 8.5, yeah, that's encouraging.
Yeah, it's nice. You did well.
Okay.
Thank you for preparing dinner.
You're welcome.
Fish really nice.
Very good.
Tastes good. The easier one now before I get cold.
Okay.